Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Bless Method of Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the dance So Dope. The song is dope, the artist is John Legend, and the choreography is LAQUISHA PEARSON. If you or someone you know is interested in part of your line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in step-by-step instruction, definitely check out the choreographer, and also I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's go.
She's so dope. Yeah, she roll up, it's automatic. My mood is all excited. She lightning straight to the brain. Yeah, she beautiful tonight. She can the choreographer. I'm burning out in her flame. Ignite, I'm about to die. Ladies, you give me those that highs, but you're killing me, baby. You know I'm crazy, I ain't had no education. And at the days end, I'm still chasing and racing to get that first taste again. It was amazing. And now I feed you a 4K sexual relation. She know the pussy won't see before it gets to the station. I'm the intercom, tell everybody I'm somewhere naked, sweaty, stanky, shaky. Take me in that outpatient, because the way I'm tripping out is kinda outrageous. I need it down, baby, cause I'm addicted to your smile like a flower that grows in the wild like Colombia that paid Pablo.
Is that fun?
She's so
What? That's so fun.